So, students, allied angles, the article which we started. Today, we will continue with some more problems in allied angles. Okay. So, the first problem today, show that sec 840 degrees into cot of 945 degrees plus sine of 600 degrees into tan of minus 690 degrees. All this is equal to 3 upon 2. The various terms which they will come in the problem. What I would prefer, each value I will calculate separately and then I will put all of them in the left hand side. So we will say solution. Okay, consider first value sec of 840. Diagram is with you. 840 beyond 360. 360 into 2, 720. Closer to 720. So 840 minus 720. 120. So I will write this as sec of 720 degrees plus 120 degrees. 720 will be 4 pi. 360 2 pi. So 720 4 pi. 2 pi, 4 pi. All very simple. Just omit 4 pi. What remained? 120 with the positive sign. So it is sec of 120 degrees. Still 120 not a standard value. So then I told you take the help of either 90 or 180 preferably. Now 120 I can write 90 plus 30. So this is sec of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. On top of 90 I will say pi by 2. Pi by 2 means first group. These three are in the first group. I have to work in 2 steps. Step 1 calmly, complete it. Then I go to step 2. What is step 1? Coefficient for pi is 1 upon 2. Fraction, change, sec became cosec. Angle, just pick it up. Don't bother whether it is plus 30 or minus 30. That I bother only in this group, not in the first group. Step number 2, quadrant, pi by 2 plus. So, pi by 2 plus I come ahead. Second, sign should be positive. Given is sec. How is sec in the second quadrant? Negative. My answer should be negative. Now, sine 30 half. Cosec reciprocal. Reciprocal of half will be 2. So, this answer minus 2. So, the first answer, now somewhere I am just going to list answers. So, first answer came out minus 2. Okay. So, where will I write so that I'll get it here on top? I'll take it later. It came out minus 2. Second answer now. Cot of minus 945 degrees. Remember I told you minus sign never I shall keep inside. So cot of minus theta is minus, then in the bracket I will say cot of 945. In your notebook put dots and in the bracket mention cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Right? Now minus sign outside and we go inside cot of. Now 945. Either closer to 720 or even 1080. Let us take 720 again. 945 minus 720. 225. So it is 720 degrees plus 225 degrees. Bracket closed. Again on top 720 it is 4 pi. Omit 4 pi. What I got? 225. So minus sign outside. Inside cot of. I just omit 4 pi. What remains is 225. 225, not a standard value. So I'll now take the help of 180. Correct? So it is minus sign out, inside, cot of 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. See, normally this second term you will get one of the standard 30, 45, 60, etc. 180 will be pi. So on the top here I write pi. Pi means the first group. Again as I repeat. So 2 steps. Coefficient for pi is 1. No fraction. So no change. I'll write it here. So no change. So minus sign is outside and inside. Cot remains as cot. Pick up the angle 45. Don't bother whether you got plus 45 or minus 45. When do you bother that? Only in the second row. Okay. First step is over. Go for step number 2. Pi plus quadrant. Pi plus. I come to third. In the third, tan positive, cot positive. Given is cot. That is positive. So my final answer here should be positive. Already this minus sign is outside, which I am not disturbing. And you know tan 45 is 1. So even cot 45 is 1. So this answer I got minus 1. I'll write it on the top here. Minus 1. Next, the third value. Sine of 600. 600 again closer to 720. So I will write it as 720 degrees minus 120 degrees. 720 means 4 pi. I omit 4 pi. I get minus 120. Copy that. So sine of minus 120. But negative sign inside I will never allow. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So it will be minus sine of 120. And what is 120? 90 plus 30. I can take the root of 90 now. So minus sign outside. Inside, sine of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. So on 90, I shall write pi by 2. Pi by 2 means group number 1. So work in 2 steps. So minus sign was outside. Inside, pi by 2. Coefficient for pi is 1 upon 2. Half. Fraction, change, sine became cos. Pick the angle 30. Step 1 over. Go to step 2. Quadrant, pi by 2 plus. Pi by 2 plus. Come to second quadrant. Sine positive. Given is sine positive. Final answer positive. Outside minus sign undisturbed. So I got minus cos of 30. And I know cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is minus root 3 by 2. The answer came minus root 3 by 2, which I will write it over here. This answer came out minus root 3 by 2. Alright. And now the fourth term. Tan minus 690. Once again, tan of minus theta should be minus tan theta. So it will be minus tan of 690. I'll put a bracket after minus sign. 690 closer to 720. So outside minus sign, inside tan of 720 degrees minus 30 degrees. 720 on top I'll write 4 pi. 2 pi, 4 pi, all are easy. So minus sign was out. Then in the bracket, what do I do with 4 pi? Just omit 4 pi. See what remained in the bracket? Minus 30. So it is tan of minus 30. But you know tan of minus theta is always minus tan theta. So minus into minus. That will make it plus. So I get tan of 30. And you know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Correct? Here in the notebook write down. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So I got this answer 1 by root 3. I'll write it here. And now let us write LHS is equal to. Now in your notebook copy down all this. Copy down. And start substituting. The first term, answer was minus 2. Second, answer was minus 1. Plus. Third, minus root 3 by 2. And fourth, 1 by root 3. All 4 answers I substituted. Now check whether you get 3 by 2 as your final answer. Minus into minus, product positive, 2 into 1, 2. Plus into minus, product is minus. Root 3 got cancelled with root 3. So I got 1 upon 2. Subtraction, so LCM is 2. Cross multiply, 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I got 3 upon 2. Write down equal to RHS. Equal to RHS. Understood the first problem? Let us go for one more. The second problem. I have to show cosec 90 degrees minus theta into sine 180 degrees minus theta into cot 360 degrees minus theta, whole thing divided by sec 180 degrees plus theta, tan 90 degrees plus theta, sine of minus theta. All that I have to prove equal to 1. All that should be equal to 1. Now LHS is equal to, I think first one value you calculate separately and then substitute. So we'll first consider cosec 90 minus theta. On top of 90 I will write pi by 2. Pi by 2, so group number 1. Work 2 steps for it. Coefficient 1 by 2, fraction, change, cosec became sec, pick the angle as theta. Don't worry if you got minus theta or plus theta here. Step number 2, check the quadrant, pi by 2 minus. Pi by 2 minus, go back, you go back in the first, everything positive, so cosec is positive, so sec is positive. Next, sine of 180 degrees minus theta. 180 means pi. 180 means pi. Again, pi comes in the first group. Check. Coefficient for pi is 1. No fraction. No change. Sine remains as sine. Pick the angle theta. Now see the quadrant. Pi minus. Pi minus. Go back. Second. In the second, how is sine? Positive. And therefore, my final answer should be positive. Third, cot of 360 degrees minus theta. 360 on top, I'll write 2 pi. 2 pi falls in the second group. Very, very easy. Just omit 2 pi. What remains? Minus theta. So it will be cot minus theta. And negative angle formula. Cot of minus theta will be minus cot theta. So minus sign will come out. Next, sec 180 degrees plus theta. On top of 180, I shall write pi. Pi means first group, 2 steps. Work out. Coefficient for pi is 1. No fraction, no change. Sec remains as sec. Copy down the angle theta. Now the quadrant. Pi plus. Pi plus. I come to third. In the third, how is sec? Negative, because tan will be positive. So sec negative, my answer should be negative. Next, tan of 90 degrees plus theta. On top of 90, I will write pi by 2. Correct? 90 is pi by 2. Coefficient 1 by 2. Fraction, change, tan became cot. Pick the angle theta. Now go for quadrant, pi by 2 plus. I come to second. In the second, how is tan? Negative, because sine positive. So my final answer, negative. And finally, sine of minus theta is always minus sine theta. All answers we wrote. Okay? And now I will, because I think maybe. So now LHS is equal to, can I, so because all the answers are here. So let me try. Okay, well, I'll have to retain this. Okay? So I'll write here LHS is equal to. First term, the answer was sec theta into. Second term, the answer was sine theta into. Third term, the answer was minus cot theta, whole thing upon. Down the first term, answer was minus sec theta into. Second term, the answer was minus cot theta into. Third term, the answer was minus sine theta. Now check what's happening. Can you see the calculations? Minus cot theta, minus cot theta. So this full term got cancelled. Down minus into minus. Product became plus. Sec theta gone with sec theta. Sine theta gone with sine theta. Minus into minus. Plus, all up also plus. So the final answer we got 1, which is equal to RHS. We wanted to get 1, that we got as RHS. Okay, and quick, let us do one more problem. So, let me try this one. Third one. Cos of 24 degrees plus cos of 55 degrees plus cos of 125 degrees plus cos of 204 degrees plus cos of 300 degrees. Half. Now all the numbers are very different. None of them look standard. Okay. But can you see 125 and 55? See the relation between the two? You get 180. 180 means pi. So I think this term I will first simplify. Okay. So we will say in solution, we'll say consider cos 125 degrees, which I can write as 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. 180 minus 55 will give me 125. 180 means pi. Pi means first group, 2 steps. Coefficient for pi is 1. No fraction, no change. Cos remains as cos. Pick the angle 55. Don't worry about this minus or plus. That worries only in the second group, not in the first group. Now the quadrant, pi minus go back. I go in the second. In the second, how is cos? Negative, because sine is positive. So my answer should be negative. Now 204. Do you see? Here 24. So 204 minus 24. See what you get? 180. Again pi. So consider cos of 204 degrees. I can write it as 180 degrees plus 24 degrees. Check. 180 plus 24 is 204. On top of 180 I will write pi. Again first group. So coefficient for pi is 1. No fraction, no change. Cos remains as cos. Pick the angle. Now the quadrant, pi plus. I came in the third. Tan positive. Given is cos. How is cos in the third? Negative. My answer should be negative. And the last number, cos 300 degrees. That's easy for you to deal with. You can write it 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60, because for 300 either 270 or 360. But for some reason I try to avoid this. I can use these two or 360. Okay. Now on top of 360 I will write 2 pi. 2 pi means everything very, very simple. Just omit 2 pi. What I got? Minus 60. So it is cos of minus 60. But cos of minus theta same as cos theta. Which two ratios I told you? Only cos and sec. Rest all minus sign comes out. And cos 60 is half. So all the values. Now I am going to erase this diagram for a minute. Okay. And now let me write LHS is equal to. First term I'll copy as it is, cos 24. Second term I'll copy as it is, cos 55. Now cos 125 I calculated. Put the value. Minus cos 55. Cos 204 I calculated. Put the value. Minus cos 24. Cos 300 I worked out. Answer half. All the values are put. And now with that, do you understand? Cos 24 and minus cos 24 got cancelled. Cos 55 and minus cos 55 got cancelled. But I got half, which I wanted to on the final side. So write down that is equal to RHS. And so today, 2 or 3 sums only I could do on other diagonals, but doesn't matter. This article is slightly difficult. Let us take more time until we get confidence about this article. Thank you.